Hey there guys, welcome back in my mind. I'm still really tired from working at McBurb's last time. Anyways, I think I'm ready for the next adventure.
Hey Mr. Kiwi Bird, you alright?
Oh hey honey bear. Last time a young sheep got in here.
That sucks. Anyways, Kiwi Bird man, I have a gift for you.
Thanks Mr. Honey Bear.
I gotta go. Thanks for the honey.
Let's take a look, shall we? It was a rainy day at the office. I haven't had many jobs ever since I became detective. Until...
Detective Dongo, we have a case for you. It's a tough one today.
What is the case about?
Just look through the documents, Detective. I cannot speak aloud. Good luck, Detective Dongo.
Thanks, Sir Lewis. Lewis told me it's a rough case. I see. Wait. A kiwi bird? Cousin? Unknown? My cousin was last seen at Ungus Jazz Bar? I gotta go find out who killed my cousin. I'll have to take some information with me and save a few here. The rain was still pouring down as I walked down the street. I need to find paths leading to answers. My cousin had a booming business, but he did no one wrong as far as I know. I walked down the street near Ungas Jazz Bar and found a dark alley. From the shadows I saw two muscular kangaroos pass by. They probably want to get in the jazz bar. So I got a closer look. They were fairly tall, strong muscles, and they both had a beanie and one iron knuckle duster. I decided to get inside as they both went in. The bar was quite empty with only 3 visitors. When I came in I saw a chameleon, a monkey and a horse.
I am Roger the quick-thinking horse.
I sat down for a moment until I saw the 2 kangaroos pass by. The 2 were heading to the side with music. I must follow them.
Hey Kiwi Bird, I'm a detective as well.
Oh really?
I've had an eye on those suckers for a while. Hop on my back, Kiwi Bird. Let's go to the concert hall.
Alright, let's go. I hopped on Roger and we were going to the concert hall for the Karen the Bird performance.
Did a kiwi bird just hop on a horse?
I think we drank too much panther juice.
Roger and I got in the concert hall and saw a huge group of gentle sheep, but no kangaroos spotted. Then we saw Karen the Bird performing. She has an amazing voice and was flying majestically around the stage.
Hey Kiwi Bird, I see the kangaroos walking towards the exit.
No, that's backstage.
Thank you everyone for attending my concert. I loved every moment of performing here, and will do it another time soon. Good night everyone.
Roger, get as fast as possible to the backstage makeup room.
Will do, detective.
Miss Karen Bird, we're detectives from Binatang City. Have you seen 2 muscular kangaroos get inside?
No, I haven't seen any kangaroos.
Alright then. I must ask you some questions about the case we have at the moment, so sit tight.
Actually, I might stand up. Go on, ask your questions, detective.
I'll stay here in the corner.
Come on, darling, I don't have all day.
Have you seen this bird?
Oh yes, the business bird. He funded my concert. He told me after the show that he was heading to Tiger Fitness Gym.
Maybe he was killed there. My theory is that he went to the bench press, because he usually does that. Then the set got too heavy for him, asking help for the spotters. Instead of helping, they dropped the weight on him and left him there choking on the bench. resulting into his death.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry for your loss.
It's fine, thanks for your cooperation.
Fellas, watch out. I hear someone coming.
Goodness gracious.
I shall protect you.
Well, it took long enough, Dongo. Your journey ends here.
Not on my watch, punks.
I knew you guys were suspicious. Let's rumble.
Get lost, idiots. Ouch.
Now I'm done with you too. They are violent now.
Dongo, let's get ripped.
Yeah, let's go.
Good luck, detectives.
Thanks, Mrs. Karen. Take care and keep singing. The next day, Roger and I went to Tiger Fitness Gym to hopefully get answers on the case. As we walked in, we saw a red panda with a tank top behind the service desk. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. How can I help you?
We're looking for Barry Muscles the tiger. We have some questions for him.
Oh right, go to his office at the left side of the hall.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, lad.
When we entered his office, there was no one there. At first we thought we were at the wrong office, but then we saw a huge shadow of a tiger. The big shadow slowly approaches us with its claws spread. Roger and I were scared as we've never seen such a ferocious force of nature.
Boo, Pa got you.
You are Barry Muscles the tiger?
Yeah, that's right, lad.
Have you seen this bird?
Of course, it's Bobber. He told me he had a deal at Binatang Docks with a group called Maine's Roar.
What kind of deal could he possibly have made at the docks? Who is the leader of the group?
Well, the leader of the group calls himself Louis, like the French frog actor Louis Lou Frog.
Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Barry.
No problem.
Watch out, fellas.
No, not my office.
They're on to us.
Guys, tomorrow at the docks during midnight. I think Maine's Roar have daily deals. Good luck.
Thanks, Barry. It was midnight when we arrived at the docks the other day. We got on the pier but saw no one there. Do you see anyone, Roger?
Think this is a setup, Dongo. Don't get any closer, punks. I'll kick back.
Shut up, ugly horse. Stop the noise, you idiotic kangaroos. Hey, Detective Dongo, wasn't expecting you here tonight.
Sir Louis, you are the Maine's Roar leader?
Oh, Dongo, you're as stupid as your cousin. Why is the group called Maine's Roar then? I don't have time for this stupidity. Kangaroo peasants, take them out, please.
Dongo, go after him. I'll take care of this.
Alright, good luck, Roger.
Alright, punks, just you and me once again.
Sir Louis, it's over. Surrender now.
I don't think so, Dongo. You stupid non-flying bird. You are all so pathetic. Your rich and famous cousin did not pay for the deal. He wanted 10 illegal crates of bird seeds which we had in the deal, but he wanted to snitch on us. Apparently he was part of the feds. I had to get rid of him, so I shot him.
Oh, it was you all along. I trusted you.
Don't move, idiot.
No.
Say goodbye then, little fat non-flying bird. Join your dead cousin in hell.
Wow, who are you?
I'm Davy Seal. Roger sent me here from SEAL Team 3.
Oh man, I wonder how Roger is doing.
Hey, Detective Dongo, I'm back.
Hey, Roger.
Hello, Lieutenant Roger.
Dongo, it has been a long day, I right? Let's get a drink.
Sounds good to me, pal.
I'm going back to SEAL Camp 3. Goodbye, detectives.
Goodbye. You two are detectives too?
I think everyone is at Ungas.
Yeah.
On detectives, fellas.
My cousin is still dead, but the truth came to the surface now. Wow guys, that was really epic, but also sad. I didn't even know that I had a cousin named Bobber. Though I'm glad that I can see colors again. That world looked so boring. Anyways, have a great day everyone, see you later.
Dongo, hop on my back, let's ride.
Alright.
Yeehaw, let's go.